You see, I believe the answer has already been found by many. And I think you know this too, deep down. But it's easier to say that those people are crazy, or that your way is the right way. No one is suffering on purpose, and those who cause suffering can only be doing it out of ignorance. They don't know what it is that they're truly doing. Because everybody wants good, even if we don't know what good is yet. Wait. Do you hear that? There it is. Nothing. We all emerged out of nothing. But how could there be something from nothing?